Hakaway ka jingja kablaja Phulbari constituency ka Nongtrei urum phang arja art lai katu ka ningot ki Nongtrei ka TMC kila Shah Thombor ha ki Nongkershan ki NPP kani ka jingja kalaja ka por ka bash posh tengi aimin mien ha ka bakani ka ken hun ki NPP ka leit ban Thombor ba drung hakaway ka yeng badan ka jing khawai ba pin kol mar ha kani ka jaka ha kani ka jingja katu ka ningot ki Nongtrei ka TMC kila mansau ba lapin kin no iki shaki jaka suma Ukertom kami kalaya TMC USG Estimor Moment ulai thu iki ka braja ka ni kasngi
आशा दूर ढोका
साइड दाओ कुछ ना करा কয়জন যায় ভিডিও করো ইলেকশন আছে সবার অধিকার আছে
Today by this evening at about 8:30 to 9 p.m. a social feast was organized by a relative of mine at village Charpatapara and Phulbari constituency, whereby my uncle invited the villagers and his relatives, and where I was also invited. I reached his house by around 9:30. As soon as I reached there, one procession was led by MDC Shamnagar 19 Shamnagar constituency, and all on a sudden, the procession was stopped in front of my uncle's house, and the people from the procession, they started pelting stones, bricks randomly, whereby at least 4 to 5 people were injured. After that, these injured people were taken to Phulbari CSC for necessary treatment. This is really very shocking that without any permission this procession was led, and this unfortunate incident has happened. I request all my supporters to please keep patience, to please bear with the situation, to please not to make any sort of quarrelings. Allah, I request my supporters to please work for the betterment of our constituency, for the betterment of our society. Thank you.